In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook Calendar sync with Google Calendar. We're setting up a simple one-way sync that lets your Outlook events automatically show up in Google Calendar. This works by publishing your Outlook calendar as an iCal link and then subscribing to that link from Google so you always see the latest Outlook events inside Google without manually exporting files. Start in Outlook on the web and switch to the calendar view. In the top right, open the settings gear and use the search bar to find shared calendars. In the shared calendars area, look for Publish a Calendar. Choose the calendar you want to share and set the permission to Can View All Details. This permission level ensures your event titles, locations, and notes appear in Google, not just busy blocks. Next, select Publish. Outlook will generate two links. Copy the ICS or iCal link. It's typically the second one. The ICS link is the subscription URL that Google uses to stay updated. Now move over to Google Calendar. On the left, click Add Other Calendars and choose From URL. Paste the Outlook ICS link into the field and select Add Calendar. Google will add it as a separate, read-only calendar under Other Calendars. You'll start seeing your Outlook events in Google. Depending on Google's refresh schedule, updates may take several minutes to a few hours to appear, so don't worry if changes aren't instant. A few helpful tips as you use this setup. Because this is a subscription, edits must be made in Outlook. Google reflects them, but can't change them. If you need true two-way syncing, you'd need a third-party service. But for most people, this read-only feed is perfect for viewing everything in one place. If your organization has disabled publishing, you may not see the Publish a Calendar option. In that case, you'll need admin approval to enable it. The ICS link is essentially a private address. Anyone with the link can view your calendar details, so keep it secure and regenerate it in Outlook if you ever think it's been shared unintentionally. Once the calendar appears in Google, you can manage its color and visibility like any other calendar, and it will also show up in the Google Calendar mobile app. That's it. Your Outlook events now appear in Google Calendar automatically.